Okay, this is my dog. This is Richard.
And this is James, and we're both videotaping.
Alright, now let's see.
Alright. James is, if you want to see it, is Demon Wing 911.
He's Demon Wing 9. So reach down there and pet my dog.
Alright. Oh my god! Sorry, that's my phone. Okay, sorry, it's gone. Okay.
Yeah, let's read it.
Here, Dave. Demon dog.
Yes, demon dog.
Ew.
Reach down there and bite you. For a sacrifice for YouTube.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
You look so cute, but
I know, but look.
Like so
Look at that cute little dog. Look at that cute little dog. Wait, come back here. Look at that cute. Hey, I'm talking to you. Look at that cute little dog. Oh, dang. Get over here. Look at that cute little dog. Look at it. Look at the cute little dog. Okay. Bye.